Shirik shirik yenten Shiyin rikbi yenten
Dashin lok chu tulu Meta maybe norbu Shirik yenten ino Dashin lok chu tulu Meta maybe norbu Shirik yenten
Kuzang Pola to all the listeners across the country. This is Kezang Chodin from Alekha Primary School. This radio program is to reach to all the children across the nation. The lesson for today is for class 2, lesson number 3, and the topic is 2D shapes. Yes, the topic is 2D shapes, which is from page 8 to 11. By the end of the lesson, each of you should be able to name and describe 2D shapes based on their attributes like sides and corners. So, before we start our lesson, I hope you are ready with your sim, pencil and eraser. Are you ready? Okay, very good. Now, turn to page 8. Are you on that page? Look at the introduction of 2D shapes. What is 2D shapes? 2D shapes are flat two-dimensional shapes. The two dimensions are the length and the width. You have already learned some examples of 2D shapes in class 1. But just now, let's look into examples given here. Can you see the picture of rectangle here? You can see that rectangle has two dimensions, that is width and length. Width at this side, vertical line, and length at bottom, horizontal line. Since this shape rectangle has only two dimensions, so this shape falls under 2D shapes. We can also describe 2D shapes based on their attributes such as sides and corners. On that same page, can you see side and corner of rectangle pointed by an arrow? Did you see an arrow? Yes, okay, good. Now, that is side. The straight lines that form the shape are called sides. This shape has 4 sides. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see it has 4 sides. So this shape has 4 sides. Now, let's look at what is corner. On the right side, corner's definition is given. Can you see that? Okay, it says the point where two sides meet is called a corner. This shape has 4 corners. You can count it by yourself. Well and good. Now you know what is corners and sides. Let's do our activity. Can you turn to page 9? Look at activity 1. What you have to do is count the number of sides and corners of each of the 2D shapes given below. And the first 3 are done for you. Can you see? Square, triangle and trapezoid are done for you. Look at square. It has 4 sides. So number 4 is written in the column number of sides. And also square has 4 corners. So number 4 in column of corners. Did you see that? So likewise, triangle has 3 sides. So you write 3, 3. 3 sides and 3 corners. So you write 3, 3. And trapezoid. Can you see trapezoid? Trapezoid has 4 sides. So you write 4 corners, 4 sides, 4, 4. So these are the examples given for you. Now, for you, shapes rhombus, pentagon and hexagon is left empty. So just count number of sides and corners and after counting fill up the column. It is very easy. So this is all about activity 1. So let's do our activity, that is activity 2 on page 10. Can you see that? Instruction says Read each of the description given below, color and name the correct shape that matches each of the description. The first one is done for you, as you can clearly see. So, what you have to do is, you can see that for each group of 3 shapes, a description is given on left side. So, just read the description properly and see about which shape that description is. And after finding it, color that particular shape. First example A is done for you. So, let's read the descriptions. It says, it has 3 sides, it has 3 corners. Name of the shape is triangle. Yes, because triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. So, description was talking about the shape triangle. Similarly, do question B and C, which is left empty for you. So, that will be your task. By reading description, so you have to read properly description and then see among 3 shapes which is that correct shape. Then after that you can color that shape. So this is all about activity 2. Now we have reached to our last activity, that is self-check for learning. Did you see that? So the instruction is name and describe the 2D shape given below based on its attributes. So you can see on the left side of this task there is a circle shape given which is blue in color. Can you see that? Yes. So, and the description, you have to fill in the blank. This shape is dash. It has dash sides. It has dash corners. So, by looking at this shape, you have to write the name of shape. Then you count the sides and count the corners and fill in the blank given here. Okay, so this is all about today's activity. Now turn to last page of this lesson, page number 11. Can you see that? In this last page, the boxes are given upside down. These are the answers for the activity 1, 2 and self-check for learning. You don't have to see these answers at the first. It is just for you to cross-check your answer. So I would like to request you to see this answer at the end. Okay, my dear children, this is all about today's lesson. I hope you understood what to do on this lesson and how to name and describe 2D shapes based on their attributes. So well, that's it for today. Till then, stay home, stay safe, keep washing your hand. Bye.
Şerik 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 yenten Şeyin rikbi yenten
Dashin lok chu tsulu Meta me be norbu Shiri genten ino Dashin lok chu tsulu